Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses model GG0979S in color code 001. The color of the frame is black. And the lenses are green. On its top right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo engraved. Its temples are black and gold. And you'll also find the Gucci logo in gold on its temple. This is the inside of the frame, and this is what you see when wearing the frame. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo in gold, and that it's made in Italy, and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary, and on the inside of the case is the Gucci logo in gold, a Gucci dust bag, a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth, a Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Kering. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any other glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.